Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the wigs I wore in March. Okay, you know, every month I do this little video and show you some of the wigs I wore in the previous month. So of course, I'm not going to show you all of them because I wore a different one almost every day and we'd be here all day and I don't want to do that to you. So I'm going to show you 10 of the wigs I wore in March. All of these wigs are from Wig Studio One. Either they were provided to me for previous review or I purchased them with my own funds, but they're all from Wig Studio One, so be sure to go over there and look at all those gorgeous styles they have there. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And don't forget, I have a website, CrazyWigLife.com. I'll put it up here somewhere. And I sell some of my gently used wigs over there, so be sure to check that out. All right, let's get started and look at the wigs I wore in March. Okay, this is my Villa Rica in Ivory Blonde Shaded. Now, I also have this wig in the red Vino shaded, which I love as well. Now, this has a lace front. There is no mono feature on this wig, so you get all this. It definitely has permatease up here, and that's what gives you this lift. I like this color. I think this is such a pretty color. Let me show you the back. Has a longer nape. Now also, I have reviews of all these wigs, and in the description box below I will link the full review. These are not reviews of all these wigs. These are just overviews of the ones I wore. But if you see one you like and you want to know more about it, just look below in the description box and there'll be a review there that shows the inside of the cap. It will show it in outdoor lighting, everything you need to know. I just want to show you a little overview of them. But I like this one. I like the ease of just throwing this on. It's perfect for the summertime. Lots of layers, but this color is so beautiful. Villa did a wonderful job with this new Motives collection. This is John Renau Quinn in Laguna Blonde, another just one of the beachy waves. Big, of course, huge hit this last year or two. We've seen so many just easy to wear beachy wave styles. This one has a lace front and a mono part on this one. And throw on and go. Just run your hands through here, separate these curls. You can put some peace out cream on here, some wig wax, anything you want, just to texturize these and loosen up these fibers. Laguna Blonde, this is such a pretty color and a really popular style for John Renau. This is Villa Dance in Candy Blonde Tipped. Again, beachy waves, throw on and go. This has a lace front and a mono part. Candy Blonde Tip. Now I have a review of this wig, and then I have an old versus new video on this one too, where I compared a brand new one to one I'd had for a while. So I will link that below as well. Lots of movement. I like this color, Candy Blonde Tipped. It fades down into this very white tips on this. It makes it really unusual. This is Rene Paris Kai in Ice Blonde. Now, for those of you who want a sleek style with no permatease, this is one of those. It is very sleek. It does have a lace front and a mono part as well, but it is just about as low density as any wig that I have tried. It has this A-line, which is nice and popular. We know that. Lots of movement. This Ice Blonde is such a pretty color. It really is. It also gets really light towards the bottom on this one. You can see it there. Beautiful style. Okay, this is Gabor Forever Chic in Rusty Auburn. Wow, do I love this color from Gabor. So beautiful. I just recently did a video on this one. Again, super sleek. Now this one has a lace front and a large mono top, so you can part it anywhere within here and change it up if you would like to. But Rusty Auburn is one of my very favorite colors from Gabor, and I love the sleekness of this. If you're, again, looking for something really sleek, you might have a look at Gabor Forever Chic. This is Envy's Chloe in Sparkling Champagne. I reach for this wig often. I just think it's so beautiful. I like that it's a little fullness around here. Now this has a lace front and a mono part. It just has this beautiful body. You know, it's not overdone in any way. I feel like this has such a natural feel and look and movement to this hair. I just find myself reaching for this. I love Sparkling Champagne. This is such a beautiful color. A lot of beautiful highlighting here. Yeah, Envy got it right with this one. This is Ellen Villa Ferrara in Bahama Beige Shaded. Now, I have fallen in love with the Modis collection. I just think they hit a home run with this. You know, they took elements from their other collections and put it into this one, and it is just a lovely collection. Ferrara has a lace front and a mono part. I also have this wig in the red Vino Shaded. Both equally beautiful. Lots of movement here. I think that's what I really like about this one, is just the movement it has. The fibers are gorgeous. They feel so natural and beautiful. Modis collection, I love it. This is Gabor Curl Up in Sunkissed Beige. Now, I got so much feedback on this wig. People really like these curls, and it is just what it says. Curl up. Lots of curls, lots of hair here. This has a lace front, but it does not have any mono feature. Now, I think the lace needs trimming on this wig. I have not trimmed mine yet, but I am going to. It's a little long for me. That's just my preference. Lots and lots of curls here. Lots of movement, but a lot of hair on this wig. Beautiful, beautiful curls. If you're looking for a really curly wig, have a look at this one. All right, this is Estetica Jones in Icy Shadow. All right, you want a fun style, just piecey and textured and razored ends. This is great. This has been hugely popular for Estetica. Now, Icy Shadow, you know, is just one of my favorite colors from Estetica because it has this dark underneath. That makes it so fun, and especially I think it works great on this style. So these bangs, now this has a basic cap. There are no lace features in this or mono features or anything like that. But, you know, I don't think you need it. You got these longer bangs. It's got some permatease going on here, giving it a little lift. But I just think these textured layers are so fun, and gosh, you can't go wrong with Jones. This is BelleTress Bona Vita in Rootbeer Float Blonde. I think this is made probably almost every month an appearance in what I wore that month, because I do reach for it quite often. I think I have it in 3 colors. I love the shape of this. I think it is so pretty. It has a lace front and a mono part. Again, really nice movement here. Nice shape. I can see why this has been so very popular in Rootbeer Float Blonde. What a beautiful color with this highlighting. They've done a great job. I love the shading here. It's not overdone. It's not stark. And the highlighting, you can see it goes all the way into the rooting. And I think that is a beautiful feature of this wig. All right, I hope you enjoyed that and the wigs I wore in March, or some of them anyway. Again, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me lots of comments. If you like this little series, let me know. Tell me which wig you like the best, and we will do this again next month. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.